Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a pull in golf. A pull shot is when your golf ball flies straight left of your target for a right-handed golfer. This happens because your club face is square to your swing path at impact, but that path is moving from outside in. Understanding this fundamental cause is the first step to correcting it and hitting straighter shots. Many common swing faults contribute to an outside-in path. An over-the-top move, where your club comes down steeply from outside the target line, is a frequent culprit. Additionally, improper setup alignment, such as aiming your shoulders left, can naturally encourage this path. Casting the club from the top of your backswing also often leads to a pull. To correct an outside-in path, try the gate drill. Place 2 alignment sticks on the ground, forming a narrow gate just outside and inside your target line, encouraging an inside-out swing. Focus on feeling the club drop into the slot on your downswing, shallowing your club path. Consistent practice with these drills will retrain your swing. Your setup is crucial. Ensure your shoulders, hips, and feet are all aligned square to your target, not left. A common mistake is aiming right to compensate, which often worsens the pull. Finally, maintain a balanced finish, facing your target, as this indicates a complete and proper swing-through impact. These adjustments will help eliminate pulls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.